Hello, my name is Abby and I work at the Moore branch of the Pioneer Library System. Today, we'll be talking about tulips. Tulips are spring-blooming flowers that can be planted in flower beds or in pots. Tulips need to be planted in the fall because they require a period of cool temperatures in order to flower. Be sure to get your tulips planted before the ground freezes. Tulips grow from bulbs, similar to daffodils and hyacinths. A bulb you might see regularly in your house can be found right in your kitchen, an onion. True bulbs are modified compressed stems that enclose a young flowering shoot. The bulb contains all the nutrients your tulip will need to grow. On the outside, you'll see a papery layer, similar to an onion. Before planting, look at your tulip bulb. The top is the pointed end. This is where the leaves and stem will emerge. The base of the bulb is wider and slightly flat. This is where the roots will develop. Now we'll talk about some tools you might use. This is a cultivator. It's great for breaking up compact soil, aerating the soil, and tilling small areas. This is a Japanese hand hoe. This tool has a sharp edge that easily cuts through weeds with a tough stem. And then here we have a trowel. This is just a small handheld shovel that makes digging and planting between other plants much easier. Some have a depth gauge to help you measure as you dig. Now let's talk about preparing the area you'd like to plant. First, take your cultivator and break up any tough soil you have in the area. Sometimes you can use this for weeds, but if you have extra tough weeds, go ahead and use your hoe. Now we can take our trowel, and once you've picked your spot, begin digging the hole. Now as we continue, you might run into even more tough soil, so be sure to use your cultivator to save some time. If needed, add amendments later. Now we can check the depth of the hole. If you have a gauge, you can use your shovel, or you can just check as long as it's about 6 to 7 inches. We want it to be about 2 to 3 times the size of the bulb. Now let's take a look at the bulb. Remember that the base is where the roots will come from, and the pointed top is where the leaves and stem will come from. Place it in the bottom and cover the whole thing with soil. Gently pat, and you're done. For more information on flowers and gardens, visit our catalog at pioneerlibrarysystem.org. Follow us on the following social media sites. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using the Pioneer Library System.